Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here in this video we'll see why sometimes it happens, such as you get only the number of your friend but not the name on the contact list. When you save your friend's number in his name, it may be showing when you are calling him from your mobile, but in WhatsApp it's not showing his name. It's only showing his mobile number. So why this is happening and how to solve this issue? So here what you can do is directly go to your phone settings, and once you go there you can see there is something called apps and notification. Here you have to choose WhatsApp. See all 26 apps. Here you can see there's something called WhatsApp. For me, since I regularly use WhatsApp, it was coming at the top, but you can find it will be in alphabetical order. You can go to W and here you can see WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp and you have to give permissions for contacts in WhatsApp. So as you can see, once you open WhatsApp, you can see there is something called contacts. Here you can see it is allowed, but sometimes if it is in deny mode, it won't like retrieve the names of your friends from your mobile, and therefore only the mobile number would come if you don't allow this feature in your phone for WhatsApp. So always check this if it is allowed or not. So once you allow this, your numbers will show up as contact names as you have saved in your mobile phone. So friends, I hope you basically understood the concept here, that if you haven't allowed WhatsApp to retrieve contacts or access contacts of your phone, it will not retrieve your contact name of your friend. Rather, it will only show the mobile number. So go to the settings and allow contact access for WhatsApp. This is as simple as that. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you learned this simple feature, how to allow WhatsApp to access your contacts and show your friend's number as you have saved in your phone. So do follow these steps and this will solve your issue. So friends, if you found this video useful, please like this video and share this across various platforms. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, see you again. See you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.